and welcome to my 3D printing area. Actually, I got a green screen, so who knows where we're at. Mystery! Okay, so I'm checking out this light. Look at this light set I got here. So this is like a construction light thing, but if you're ever in areas without a lot of light, right here, which I would probably hang it up here, it needs light. So I got this thing here, and let's see what it comes with here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 lights and a big, huge, heavy cord. This would be like good for like mine shafts or something like that. But let's see what it comes with here. It comes with carabiners to hang it up, nice and good. And let's see how it works. So let's go and plug this in, and we'll see how bright these get. And there we go. So now we are lit up. And wow, these are bright. So if I did this, if I had like 2 down here and 2 above, we'd be golden and you'd actually be able to see me. Actually, I could just show you right here. So we can do 2 there, 2 there. See? Now look how bright I am. Oop. Well, they're not even facing me, but you get the idea. So there. So that's, see? It would be nice and bright, which is probably what I'll do. I'll set it up like that so I can be seen. So that is it. This is the light here. So it was pretty sweet. Way less than getting fancy studio lights or something like that. And also it's nice and portable. I can go and bring them into the garage and put them all, string them out under the car when I'm messing with the car or above the car or whatever. With the carabiners, you can hook it up to anything. So totally cool. But if you check out these things here, they're nice and durable plastic LED lights, and they have the little hooks on them there. So I'll show you how we can hook it up to the carabiners. So I'll have to hook the carabiners up to something, but hang them up and it can just hang right from there. I'll probably hang them this way, but that's it. So it's pretty cool. So I like them. They're super bright. I don't know what the brightness is. I can't remember what brand it is either. There's like no paperwork on here, but it does come with some extra fuses. I guess it's fused, so that's good. So if you have it laying on the ground and it gets in the water or something like that, it'll just blow the fuse on it. So pretty sweet. And it's got the little cap, and so you can use it as an extension cord too to go continue on. Pretty much does everything I need it to do. So I like it. So thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. I can't remember what brand it is, but I'll put a link to it there. 1, 2, 3. Actually, there's 5 lights because I was playing with the 4 here. There's the one way down there too. So it's 5 lights. So you get a pretty good, decent deal for these. And I just pulled it out of the wall. So there we go. So that's what it looks like. Sweet and nice and easy. You can just throw it in the back of the car and bring it anywhere and always have light. Or if you have something where you want to keep more permanent light, like on a big tunnel or something like that, you're golden. So I love it. Thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.